If deadlifts bother your low back instead of working your glutes, you might be making one of these mistakes. Deadlifts are one of the best compound exercises you can do for your glutes, your hamstrings, and just overall strength. I have clients ranging from 15 to 84, and they all do some form of deadlift. But you must make sure your setup and your hinge are done correctly. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common mistakes women over 50 make when deadlifting and how to fix them so that this exercise works for your body. Before we even talk about lifting the bar, we have to talk about setup because most of the times problems start before the bar even leaves the floor. For the conventional deadlift, your feet are going to be about hip width apart. The bar should be over the top of your foot and close to your shins. With your hands about shoulder width apart, you'll hinge at the hips and grab the bar just outside your knees. You want to get a decent bend while keeping your spine aligned. The bend in your knees will look different depending on your height. Some people have a longer femur and they won't be able to get down as low as others. So don't worry so much about how low you can go. You're going to keep your hips higher than your knees, but lower than your shoulders. One big mistake I see is not keeping your spine aligned throughout the movement. You don't want to round your shoulders and hollow out your chest. You're going to keep a neutral spine, your chest up. Don't forget your neck is part of your spine, so draw your head back and pick a spot on the floor to look at just a few feet in front of you so that your head stays in line. A lot of people approach the deadlift like it's a pull exercise, but the deadlift isn't a pull. You're actually pushing away from the floor. Get a nice solid footing on the floor with all pressure points of your feet on the ground. Then you're going to think about pushing your feet into the floor as you rise up. Your arms are just hooks holding the bar. Before you lift, you're going to take a deep breath in and brace your core, and then engage your lats. You could think about bending the bar around you or closing the gap in your armpits. Another mistake I see is raising your hips up first, and that puts a big strain on your low back. That usually happens because the deadlift is treated like a pull exercise rather than a push exercise. To avoid raising your hips up first, when you lift, you're really going to focus on the part about pushing your feet into the floor. The bar should stay close to your shins. You'll push your feet into the ground and use your legs to raise the bar. When the bar gets to about knee height, that's when you're going to stand straight up. Then you'll follow the same path back down, keeping the bar close to your body throughout the entire movement. You might also hear about people debate on which deadlift is best. There are several different variations of deadlifts. There's the conventional deadlift, the sumo deadlift, the hex or trap bar deadlift. There's RDLs, which is the Romanian deadlift. And the truth is, they're all good. And the best variation is the one that feels strongest and the most stable for you and your body. One small tip that makes a big difference is your footwear. A flat sole shoe gives you a much more stable base than a thick running shoe. If there's too much cushion, your foot can't get a solid grip and your base becomes unstable. Conventional deadlifts are my personal favorites, and they're one of the most essential compound exercises you can do because they work just about every muscle group in your body. I have clients ranging from 15 to 84, and they all do at least one form of a deadlift. And most of them had never deadlift before they started working with me, which just shows you you're never too young or too old to learn how to deadlift. There are so many moving parts to performing the deadlift correctly, which is why I tell my clients to go through a mental checklist while doing the exercise. Stay focused on the movement and the cues that we talked about today. If you're over 40 or 50 and want to build real strength, deadlifts are one of the best exercises that you can learn to do safely. That'll build strength and help with bone density. Subscribe so you don't miss more videos like this where I break down other exercises and workouts so that you can build real strength. And while you're waiting, we have these videos you can watch. See you on the next one.